That's why some of the roofs are caving in. Look at all the snow in that little house. Here comes a car asking me to get out of the way. Well, I have boots that are 2 feet high, and they just didn't work. Now I have snow all the way down my boots. The snow is tapered off to flurries pretty much. Otherwise, I wouldn't have been able to be out here because the snow was very stinging. It was coming down so hard. Hello. And this is my street. Randolph Street, and you can see the cars, people sledding in the street. And this is a walkway that somebody was nice enough to shovel behind one of the complexes. But you can see the fence that is now completely covered. It's probably 5 feet high because of the emptying out of the snow on the steps. And the snow is accumulating so quickly, they can't keep it clean. And these are beautiful trees. This is a little sitting area outside of the complex, and the trees are holding the snow very nicely. There's a sign. It says something. I can't read it. But there's the 2 feet of snow. And you can see those steps back there. It's a winter wonderland. And of course, the poor little doggies have nowhere to go, so they ruin the snow with their tinkle. There's some of the high rises of Ballston, and there's my complex. I am right there on the 7th floor. There's 10 floors total, so my complex is 7th floor, and I'm right on that middle section next to the balcony. Go ahead.
Oh, thank you.
This is the street behind the main drag. Doesn't look like, maybe it was plowed once or twice, but it's not that great. And this is the street that leads back to my street. And this street hasn't been plowed at all. It's beautiful. Here we are, the blizzard of 2010. We got about 25 inches of snow. It's just about finishing up, and I'm going to try to take some pictures of the main drag while I attempt to walk through this mess. There are people walking in the streets because you can't walk on the sidewalks. And the main drag of Ballston, right here in downtown Arlington, is pretty much messed up. Those people are in the streets. They just waved to me. And those people down there are walking in the middle of the street. This is Eastview, where I live. Jeff and I are going to go watch some movies. This is very pretty with the way the trees are. And this is the main street that's been plowed several times.